What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Today we're gonna go to a car show, put you guys up and do a cold start, and then we'll go wash the car. Alright, so now that's washed up, I'll probably take it for a cruise down to a gas station to get something to drink and eat before we go, and then use some tire shine on the wheels. Other than that, I'm going to wipe it down with a microfiber towel real quick, and we'll get going. Show you all what it looks like without and then with the coverall. So this is what it looks like after spraying. When you're doing this, make sure you like back your car up a little bit so you can get a little bit left. But so we're back from the car show. It was alright. It was nice. The parking spot, like the parking lot was really small. But yeah, that's about it for the video. So if you see this, thank you for watching.